In this video, we are going to see about programmer rank problem. So, when we look at the problem statement, it is given that the university conducts a number of programming contests in their programming portal every day. The problems given are categorized into easy, medium and hard, and a student will score 10 points if he solves the easy problem, and 30 points if he solves medium problem, and 50 points if he solves a hard problem. And the university decides to give ranking for the students based on their active performance in the contest. And the student with the highest score will get rank first, and second highest will score second rank, and so on. And there is a possibility that more than one student may have the same total number of points, isn't it? In that case, all the students with the same same score will get the same rank. Okay. So, for example, if two students are having the same point, okay, first rank, for example, 900 points are scored by two students, then both of them will be given first rank, and there will not be a second rank. Instead, if another student has scored 890 points, then he will be given the third rank. Let us see with the example given here. So, this is the problem. So, student 1 has solved 12 easy problems and 8 medium and 9 hard. And student 2 has solved 11 easy problem, 8 medium and 11 hard, and student 3 has solved 10 easy, 7 medium and 10 hard, and so on. So, when we calculate the total score, what should we do is we should multiply the easy problem, number of easy problem by 10, and multiply the number of medium problem by 30 and number of hard problem by 50. So, when you sum up that, you find that the total points scored by student 1 to student 6 is like this, okay, 810, 900, 810, 740, 810, 740. So, how we can say this particular student 2 has scored rank 1, these students, all the 3 students have scored rank 2, okay. Since 3 students have rank 2, there is no rank 3 as well as rank 4, only rank 5 comes, and both of them have scored same score, so both of them will get rank 5. If there is one more student, he will not get rank 6, instead he will get only rank 7. Okay, so that is what is shown here. So, now the problem is given the number of name of the students and number of easy problems and medium problems and hard problems. So, you are going to write a code to display the rank and name of the students. So, this is the input format. The first line contains the number of students, okay, n students will be there, and the next n lines contains name, number of easy problem solved, number of medium problem solved, and number of hard problems solved, separated by a space. So, here it will look like this. Let me show an example. So, this is how the example input is going to be. First line contains the number of students, okay, and next line, from the next line, details of the n students will be given, and they are separated by space. So, you can see that student 1 space 12, 8, 9. So, this is entire detail of the first student. Entire detail of the second student will be on the second line, and so on. And what is the required output format is, you should print the rank of the student and name of the student separated by space, okay, and it should be in ascending order of the rank. So, student who has scored the highest score, his name should be displayed first, and then the name of the student, and when rank is same as given in the problem, print the student in ascending order. Okay, so multiple students have got the same rank. How will we print the name of the students? In ascending order of their name, right? So, for this example, this is how we will print. First you print the rank and then the name of the student, and so on. So, when we look at it, how we can solve this problem, a better way of representation will be, we can group the students. First of all, we can group the students based on their total points scored by them, right? That we can do, and then what we can do is we can sort the points in descending order. Okay, so how will I group it? First of all, for grouping, let us say, for example, if you are given that student 1, right, student 1, and then let me take example 10 easy problem solved and 5 medium problem and 3 hard problem, and let us take another one case, student 2, right, student 2 has solved 5 easy problem, 7 medium problem and 2 hard problem, and let us take another one, student 3, okay, and when you look at student 3, he has solved like let me say like yeah, 7 easy problem and then 4 hard medium problem and 3 hard problem. Let us calculate the total score for each of the student. When you look at the first student, 10 into 10 will be 100 and this will be 150. So 250 plus 150 will be 400 points, right? This is 50 and then 150, this is 210, 50 plus 210 will be 260 and then 100 will be 360. Hope I am correct. And this is 770 and then 4 into 30, 4 into 30 will be 120. So 70, 190, 190 plus 150 will be 1 minute, 190 will be, let me make a small modification in this. Let me say this is 6, okay. So when I say 6, then my calculation will be 70 plus 6 into 30 will be 180 and then 150. So when you sum up, you will get 13, this is 400, okay. So when you look at these three students, for student 1 and student 3 will get rank 1, should get rank 1, okay, let it be. But I am going to form a dictionary now. In Python, I am going to use the dictionary structure. It is not a must, this is my choice. I am going to use a dictionary to represent the grouping of the students. So let me say that group students, and I am going to group based on the total points scored. So let me say 400. 400 points are scored by, for storing the names, more than one name will be there, isn't it? I am going to use a list. So I am going to say student 1, then comma student 3. This is how my dictionary should look like. How we are going to build, we will see during implementation. And then next score is 340. 340 is scored by 340 or 360, okay. That is scored by student 2. So this is how it will look like. And then what we can do is, we can take the keys of the dictionary and then we can sort it in descending order, okay. Then we can sort it in descending order, then we can look at it and we can print. We will see how we will do that now in the implementation. So this is the overall idea of solving the problem. First of all, let us form a dictionary. Let us group the students based on the total points scored, okay. So the key will be the points scored by the student and value will be list of students who have scored that particular point, right. And then what we are going to do is, we are going to take the keys from the dictionary and then we are going to sort them in descending order, because we want the highest score to be rank 1. So we will sort it in descending order and then we will look into the dictionary and we will print one by one, and we will also increment the rank. Let us see it during the implementation. So let us start doing it. Let us create first of all a dictionary. Let me call that as group students, okay. Let me call that as group students and it is an empty dictionary. Now what I am going to do is, first of all I will read the number of students from the user. So let it be n, that is what is given in the input format. So I am reading the number of students from the user and then I am going to read the values of all the n students, okay. So let me say like details, okay, details is equal to, I am going to read it and it is just separated by space. So I am going to use the split function for splitting it, and as per the input format given in the problem, the first value will be the name of the student, second will be the number of easy problems solved, third will be the number of medium, and fourth will be the number of hard problems solved, okay. So let us calculate the score. How we are going to calculate that as, int of details, we are going to convert it into int because we know that it will be a string, details of 1, right, because 0 contains the name, into 10, right, and then details of 2 into 30 plus details of 3 into 50, okay, right. Each one I have to convert it into a int. So int of details of 1, this is wrong, plus, it should be plus, and int of details of 2 into 30, and then I have to say int of details of 3 into 30. Okay, this I will do. So I am finding out the score. Then what should I do is, I have to check whether this score is already present in the dictionary, group students. If it is present, then I have to insert this student also into that particular key. Otherwise I have to insert it as new value. So how can I check that? As you have a get function in dictionary which will help you, right? So I am checking if this group students dot get of score. If it is present, then it will return a value. If it is not present, then it will return me a none value, right? So if not of if the score is not present in the dictionary, then what I am going to do is, I am going to add it to the group students, right? How will I add it? Group students, right? What should be the key? Key should be the string that is containing the name, key should be the score, score, total score what we have calculated, and value should be the name of the student but within the list, okay, because more than one student may have got the same score. So I have to create a list and I will say details of 0. Yeah. If it is not present, then I am going to insert as the new value. When I am inserting it as a new value, I will create a list with only one element, that is the name of the current student who has got this score. Okay. Otherwise, okay, then if it is not the case, if already in our example what I showed you on the whiteboard, student 1 and student 3 has got the same score. When I am processing student 1, this line will be satisfied, this condition will be satisfied. So this line will get executed saying that that score will be the key, whatever we saw 400 will be the key, and the value now will be list of only one student name, that is student 1. And student 2, when I process also, you will get a score of 360 which is not in the dictionary. So it will add it as a new element into the dictionary. When student 3 comes, the score will be once again 400 which is already present in the dictionary. Okay. So in that case, that if will not be satisfied, right? I have to write what should happen in the else part. So what should happen in the else part is, I should take the list corresponding to the score and add this new student name into that. That's what I am going to do. So how will I take the value from the list with the key is, you should take by using the student underscore group underscore students of score dot append. You will add, what you are going to add is now details of 0, that is the name of the student. So this will give me the list, reference to the list of the students who is having the score which is already present in the dictionary. Okay. If it is not present, this get would have returned me a false value, then this line would have been executed. If that is not the case, I can understand that definitely this value is present in the dictionary as a key. Okay. I can understand that. So I am getting the reference to the list, okay, that value, and then I am adding it. Okay. So let us see what this dictionary is getting printed, okay, when we are giving this value. So let us see what we gave in the whiteboard. Okay. So 10, 5, 3, let me give that. 3 students are there, and let me give student name as S1, and 10, 5, 3, and then S2, 5, 7, 2, 5, 7, 2, and S3 is 7, 6, 3. Okay. So you can see that the total score with 400, it is formed as a list, student 1 and 3, and 360 is 2. Okay. So we have got in the our desired format. After doing this, what should we do? As per the idea, we should now take the keys alone from the dictionary. Okay. So let me call that as scores. Okay. Let me call that as scores equal to, I want to take the keys from the dictionary. So what will I do is, I will use the name of the dictionary dot keys. Okay. And this is the iterable structure, we have to convert it into our required format. So I am converting it to a list. Okay. I am converting it to a list, and then what I am doing is I am going to also now I will say scores. I want to sort it in descending order. So how you can do is sort function we know, and there is a attribute that we can pass for that, reverse equal to true. When you say reverse equal to true, by default sorting will be doing in ascending order. If you say reverse equal to true, then it will be done in descending order, right? Okay, now you can print the scores and see. Because dictionary is a unordered thing, unordered structure, so you may not get as you want. Sometimes you may get it in a very different way, right? So you can always do this. I am also giving the input what is given in the problem and showing you how it is going to be for 6 students. Okay, the dictionary is formed like this, and after taking the scores alone and sorting it, you see that it's 900, 810, 740, right? And now what we will do is we will take the score one by one from the sorted list, and then we will find out the students from that. We will sort the names also in the score list, and then we will print it, right? So let me say before that rank equal to 1, our rank is going to start with 1. So rank equal to 1, right? Then I am going to take for S in scores, okay, or I can say that for score in scores. That will be more meaningful. For score in scores, what I am going to do, I am going to see what is in the group students who have got the scores, group students of score. Okay, I am taking all the students and then I am going to sort it, sort them in ascending order. Why? Because as per the required output format, the students should be printed in ascending order. Okay, so I am going to print their rank and then the name of the student. Okay, before this there can be more than one student. The point I should understand here is actually what I am getting here is a list. I am sorting it and there can be more than one student in the thing. Okay, so for student in students, okay, for student in students, I am going to just print the rank, the rank and then the name is in the variable student. Okay, and then we can say rank plus equal to 1. Okay, and then I think that's it. Let us check. Yeah, you can see that 1. Okay, yeah, I should not say rank equal to rank 1. See, the mistake I have made here is I have put it inside the for loop where I am printing the students. It should be outside, isn't it? Because the students whoever got this should be within this for. Okay, that should be within this for. That is the mistake. Indentation problem, not problem, it's a mistake, indentation mistake I have made. So now I hope we will get the correct answer. Yeah, let me remove the other things whichever I printed for our understanding. Let us remove it and see a clear output. This is for the 3 students. Then let us execute for the input what is given. Yeah, you can see that the first rank is by student 2, second rank 3 students have got it, and third rank is by okay, one more thing, yeah, it should not be second rank, isn't it? Yeah, we have to make a small change now. Okay, yeah, I should have another one count inside. 1 minute, let us make it. Yeah, you can see here. So I have added one more variable, c equal to 0 I have initialized, and I am incrementing after printing the rank, and I am coming out, instead of incrementing the rank by 1, I am going to increment by c values. That will help me to do whatever I want, what is desired. Okay, so rank 2 is by these students and rank 5 is by these students, because 3 students have got rank 2 means we have seen that there will not be rank 3 and rank 4. Okay, fine. So how do we choose the data structure for solving the problem? Structure of Python is also very important. This problem can be easily solved by using a dictionary and list. That is what I thought. So thank you.